Okay, today I have created this very simple AI flow. It is not hard to do that in 3 minutes or less, and it's very helpful because the thing that I would like to talk about today is the ability of AI solutions to create lists when we give clear directions. In my case, I said I wanted 20 YouTube channels that teach affiliate marketing with at least 200,000 subscribers. And that is a process that I call frog kissing, and that's what we are going to talk about today.
There is a process we call kissing frogs. You may recognize it from the fairy tale in which a princess kisses frogs in the hope that one of them will turn into a prince. The underlying idea is simple. You have to invest a certain amount of time to find something that actually works. In our digital world, my version of kissing frogs means that we examine a variety of options to discover something that really works for us. To do this effectively, we first need a comprehensive list of options. One of these options should ideally be what we turn into a prince after our trial. In the past, it wasn't as easy as it is today. Thanks to advances in artificial intelligence, we can now do many things much more easily. One of these possibilities is to generate a list in which we define exactly what we are looking for. In our case, we have defined that we want a list of people who teach marketing on a specific channel, namely YouTube. Of course, we only want to include people who have the largest possible following, as this indicates that their content is of high quality. We currently have 20 entries in our list. As a rule, 50 entries is often too many, while 10 is too few. With 20 entries, we can usually expect the best results. We have already looked through the list and realized that some entries are not perfect. For example, we will certainly find people who have little to do with marketing and also those who do not have the number of followers we would like. Nevertheless, this is a solid starting point. Artificial intelligence allows us for the first time to ask for information we didn't even know existed. For example, if we were to ask our neighbor which people we don't know, they would probably look at us in confusion. But many AI systems have been trained with information that is popular, offering us insights that go beyond our own knowledge. We can simply say, "Please give me the information I need based on the criteria I have defined." This process only takes 5 to 10 seconds, and soon we have a complete list that we can work through. The creation of this AI solution, which we use in our workflow, can be implemented in just a few minutes, even by non-experts. Setting up such a solution is relatively simple, and we are happy to help. We are currently offering 20 small companies without a works council the opportunity to set up an artificial intelligence server free of charge. We take care of the programming, installation, and even the costs for the first month. The reason we are doing this is because we want to work with the right customers who are using these technologies and are happy with the solutions. It makes much more sense to work with customers who are already convinced than to constantly try to convince someone who doesn't really want to deal with the topic. The concept should now be clear. We create a list of criteria that we define for our desired results, let the AI generate them, and then check the results. If we find that the results do not meet our expectations, we can make adjustments to our AI server within 3 minutes to make the list more relevant. Thank you for your attention. We look forward to seeing you again in the next video.
Okay, I hope by now you have your own list of interesting stuff that you have defined. As I said, AI solutions are very good to create lists and complete lists. If you need any help, just send me an email. And I'm setting up 20 of these AI server solutions that I'm using right now for small business owners without a work council. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.